عليكم أصحابتنا نقول لما أنت نقولي قبل ما اللي هذا تقول سبسكرايب يسار كوري اللي جوكن وما تنتهي كوي وصوب ربا بل إلى فيديو كان أي صوت صارن هذا ورباهن تاني ورطة تذكي وذاتكي دلين الشيخ محمد مرة إن شاء الله إلى حقك صيفتي منايا بل نلا فرصة فيديو كان.
The loss has been devastating. Imagine losing your beloved dad, first son, caring husband, favorite brother, best friend, inspiring teacher, mentor, imam, and a community leader.
The man who filled all of those roles was Imam Dr. Maxamed Xasan Adam. He was found dead in his own van on Christmas Eve.
For almost a month now, we've been searching for answers and grappled with fear as we work, pray, and gather, while at the same time the killer of our imam remains at large.
That's why Columbus police joined together with community leaders and the family to call for justice and to ask for answers.
Too often, the homicides of Black immigrant men are overlooked, disregarded, forgotten, and we really refuse to let that happen here today.
The reward for an arrest and conviction is now up to $20,000, and detectives are hoping a new video will help. Take a look. This video shows someone driving the imam's yellow van the night before he was reported missing. Police say the man appears to be wearing a red bandana and either white or latex gloves.
I had a case recently where I released some stuff through social media and the media. Very successful, lot of response, and I got the information I was looking for within about a half hour. So we're hoping that this outreach helps accomplish that same task.
In the meantime, the family is praying and pleading for help.
Allah, God, is all-knowing. He knows who did this to my father. It is our job.
horta wax laga xumaado way horta ma ku sii dheeraan fiidiyogan qolo kala iskale insha Allah biidna Ilaahay kariim laakiin Ilaahay duceeye in Ilaahay xaq soo iftiimiyo wadaadka jaa hadeer kaamirada soo qabatay dadkii gaarigiisa saarnaa nin cadaan qofkii si fiican u fiirisa nin cadaan ayaa gaariga wada si fiican fiidiyoga la istaajinayo fiiriya si fiican u fiiriya dado قولي قبل ما يقول هذا يقول صوت سكريب كيسات تذكري اللي جوا ما تنتين كنجر وما تنتين صومالي كون سكريب إيجارسي لاني وحاينا وحاجة سيسر با يوتيوب فلان كون سكريب اللي يقبضن كون كرجينا إن شاء الله.